Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture Trading. As I said previously, I used to give now the good trading updates along with that trading ideas and why we are taking the trading that idea and what kind of concept we can use here. See right now, if we see the 12 hours time frame of the Bitcoin, basically it has broken its downtrend line. So when we are drawing the trend line from the point of area where it is high, the same next areas of the highs, when you draw the trend line, when it broken, mostly it is an a bullish. But sometimes what we can say here, basically the concept we will call as the liquidity sweeps. So mostly here we can see that in a 12 hours the candle between here, this is called can be as a basically order blocks, and next you can observe here this candle is also a order block. So I can take a rectangular box. If I draw here like this, it is basically an ideal area we can short. So these kind of trend lines, if they are not crossing this box clearly, when they are not flipping this box, mostly it is an a fake out, just sucking the liquidity from this point of area where right now market is staying 64,802. Maybe market can give you the false assumption to move 65,500 nearly. After that again market will fall down. So this is one idea we can see here. So if I want to do the long, what I will do here, it is I will wait for the market. Okay, then market should come here or here, at least it should broke continuously, because when it is and just sucking the liquidity, market will suck the liquidity of this rectangular box and it will come down, just it will sweep the liquidity. But when it want to go out of the liquidity, market will not stay here, or market will never dance here. It will continuously break this rectangular box, and then it will make a new higher low, and market will start moving up. So right now I am seeing this kind of ideas here. So if I want to make a short trade here, sorry, here I will take in a short trade, and my expectation towards the trade is to sweep around 61,500, and I can take around this kind of. So it is an a 1:5 trade nearly. And if I want to take the long trade, here I will take the trade when market around come here, then somewhere here when market is, I will draw it and I can target till 70. So at least 68, anything. So both side right now we have the opportunities of 1:5 trade. In this way we should approach when we are doing the trading. And right now it is properly not a trading zone perfectly, it need to swim the area. But right now there is a large chances for doing the short trade. But if the short trade is going to wrong, then we can flip our idea into the long trade. So between here, just within this rectangular box, don't lose your opportunity of trading. And if you observe this 12-hour candle also, basically when a candle is a singular body with no upper body properly and lower body, it is a proper wick. Both side when it is in a wick form, market usually fall down. And if we go through the Ethereum, already I am in Ethereum in a short trade. Already I am doing the short trade, and I am expecting this can be the area the market is going to reject. And before that only I taken a short trade. I am expecting this market is going to suck around here of the liquidity, and then it will fall down. So let's see how the market is going to behave in Ethereum. And if you I drawn a boundary a trend line from the edge of the lower unto the next continuous the lower highs. But if we observe here if we observe properly, this was a previous low, okay, and it was a new low around. So which it is around 1815, but previous low was 1856. So it was a new lower low. And when just it sucks the buy side liquidity, we will call that, when it is in a lower side sweeps market, we will call it as in a downside liquidity sweep. And again it nearly went to the area of where the order block is there. So I can show you the order block, how the order block will forms here. So the point of order block, I am expecting market could fall from here. So when we are trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, we should conflict of the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So for me, Ethereum is showing the clearest downtrend, and Bitcoin can be the chances of small fake out chances here. So that's why I am expecting that it is a short trade. But tomorrow we are expecting a market from US market. Unemployment data is going to come out. So because of that data, market can sweep either any side of this. So that's why take careful and with a small position of trades. Right now in market there is no lot of liquidity also, and if we see continuously from here, at this point of the liquidity volume candles also not growing that much. So this what the right now market price is moving up, that price action is also not in a right way to expect to the long in the right now in the market. But okay, if it flips this box area and then if it is joining, then I will believe that market will go so much high. So in that way we can see that this downtrend going to break. So when the downtrend is not breaking, market mostly will fool us to just sweep the liquidities of these areas, then it will fall down. So these kind of trading updates and trading ideas and educational concepts, if you want to learn from me, then I believe that if you follow us, you can gain a lot of trading knowledge from us. uh, Subscribe our channel. In description we have shared our Telegram channel link and other social media links. At least if you are in our trading channel, Telegram trading channel, there you are going to get a free trading ideas along with the logic behind the trade, why we are taking the trade. So for stay tuned with has have a nice day, signing off.